It's Chriso. I've been a tiler for 35 years, a contract tiler. If I don't know what I'm doing by now, I'm sure someone out there will let me know. No, serious guys. I've just done a bit of slope on that shelf, which is going to be the niche, so they can put up as many bottles of soap and all that carry on that they like. There's heaps of room. The standalone bath is going there, so they can have bottles of shit everywhere. My next step, and why do I do this, that I don't see it done very often. When you tile or you're waterproof, get your primer on. It's a must. It takes up all your dust that are on the sheets, because glue or waterproof don't stick to dust. And you're thinking, oh Jesus, he's a bit rough. Well, you don't worry about it. It's not like painting. Just slap it on. Use a cheap roller. Then you just throw it away. I buy these suckers for they cost about $6 each. I just throw the sucker away once I've finished using it. And it doesn't take long to do. I'm wasting a bit. Woohoo! Slap it on. Bind all that dust together. For what this does, this primer, for what it does, it's cheap as, you know, like that 5 litres has cost about 70 bucks. It'll do easy 4 bathrooms, you know, so 18 bucks a bathroom. And then you don't have to worry about tiles falling off. Because it doesn't matter what glue you use, glue doesn't stick to dust. And you got rocks in your head that if you think glue does stick to dust, no. Does it look pretty? No. Is it full on brilliant? Yep. You know, it's like waterproofing around your taps. It's got to be done. It's just something that's got to be done. See my hand? See how it's white now? Dust. Alright people, I'll carry on with that wall. I better be a bit careful around that cabinet though. Not let it run like I have done here. Here is just a skirting tile on this wall. I'll be putting a aluminium strip across there as my water stop. We'll see you soon. I'll come back to you on the next stage, stage 3. That was the first stage, that shelf. Second stage, doing my sealer, primer, before I waterproof. My next movement will be polyurethane or silicone up all joins around my pipes everywhere. Okay, we'll see you soon. Stay tuned to Chriso. See ya. Bye.